St. John's wort. This plant has so many different uses. And today I'm going to make some oil and tincture. And why am I going to do this? Stay tuned. Once you have your flowers gathered, bring them home to a nice clean area to work in, or outside in my case. Have a sterilized jar ready, and of course your morning cup of coffee or tea, whichever you prefer. And then let's get started removing all these flowers. You'll notice right here, dead center, that these flowers haven't opened up yet. I still pick those off and add them to the ones that I have picked, because there's still goodness in those buds. If you're choosing to make tincture with the flowers, please do your research before you use it. The reason why I say this is that St. John's wort can affect other medications and cause serious side effects. Now, some of them, for example, blood thinners, HIV medicines, seizure medicines, chemotherapy medicines, antidepressants, digoxin, and birth control pills apparently. But that's just the short list. Bottom line, if you're on any medication whatsoever, please do your research. Just don't start taking tincture and self-medicating. You don't want to have any bad ill effects because of the contraindication with other medications. Don't be surprised to see your fingertips getting the wonderful oils from all the flowers that you pick. Now this jar is ready to be divided up actually. I'm going to be doing some oil and some tincture. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at the final stages, and I put a lot more oil in here than what is required for the amount of flowers I have in there. Reason being is that over the next probably 24 to 48 hours, I'm going to add a few more. And the rule of thumb when it comes to making oil is you let it sit in the sun, inside the house, of course, but at a window. And probably it will take 3 to 4 weeks before you get the really, really dark oil that you need. Once this is really dark red, time to strain and store the oil. What kind of oil do you use? A really good quality oil. There's so many opinions and controversy out there in terms of what's best. Do what you feel is best. As for the tincture, same thing. What vodka do you use? Well, for many of us, it's whatever we can afford. Now, technically, using the 190 proof is the best, but I don't like having my eyeballs burned out, so I just use a really good vodka. Same thing with the tincture. It's going to sit probably, well, more than 4 weeks. I like to let this sit 5 to 6 weeks, and then I strain. 6 days ago is when I started this. And look at the color. This is the tincture. And what's it good for? Abating tension, anxiety, nervous conditions. It's a sedative, pain reliever, but it also comes with a multitude of possible side effects and conditions in which people should never use that. And I'm going to put it in the description below. Please take the time to read it. And also 6 days ago, this is when I started the oil, and it still has quite a ways to go to get all the wonderful goodness into that oil. But when it's done, I'm going to have an oil that's an antiseptic, an antimicrobial, an oil that's going to help me treat minor wounds, burns, bruises, small cuts. It'll soothe itchy skin, and it can actually help with eczema-prone skin as well. For now, this is going to go back in the window that has the most sunlight. My tincture is back inside because it should not be in bright light at all. And I want to thank you for watching right to the end of this video. Now, how to make a tincture properly, how to make an oil properly, I'm going to have a link to that below. How to turn this oil into a salve so when it goes on your skin it isn't so greasy. A link to that will be below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it in your social media, and thank you for watching.